Oh, good day, good day, good day, good day. Had a great sleep last night in the Andy Moore suite here. Pretty good sleep. I kicked the door a little bit to get her shut and see what we're getting up to today. Holy shit, looks like we're gonna get rid of my car. Can we just keep it another week?
Nope.
Come on, I'm not quite ready to let go yet. 200 Cigarettes is over there smoking cigarettes. Let's get this piece of shit out of here, boys. So we got her all strapped down. This car's not gonna hurt nobody else, right, buddy?
Only a couple people.
Only a couple more times today, maybe. Let's say I show it for my movie. Can I see your thumb for my movie?
It's all grimy,
Let's see what happens.
dirty and greasy and fucking.
Oh, you split her open, bud.
Yeah, I dropped a tire on it this morning.
Don't do that.
No.
Oh my goodness. Hey, Pug, are you smoking cigarettes?
Yeah.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
I caught you again? Oh, son of a bitch. Anyways, we're off to London, boys. I don't know. Oh, I want a Hortons.
There's the cops.
Where's the cops? Are we going to jail? Oh, frig. It's the cops.
Pug ones. Yeah, look at them.
That's Billy.
Fucking laughing.
Oh shit, careful.
What?
Dodge.
Oh my goodness!
There's a bright yellow one. How'd you miss it?
Paint it that color because of the ball joint.
The warning.
Emergency
The warning.
Situation.
Alright, well that was Glencoe. Here we go. Oh shit.
Freaking Billy. Look at him. He's back there freaking beaking off. He's flailing his arms at me.
I can't see him in the backup camera.
No, Carphonics in here, sorry.
Carphonics, that's right. I love that place.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get on the freaking 40 cigarette and head to London to the 907. Right, buddy?
90 cigarette.
40 cigarette, yeah, 40 cigarette to the 90 cigarette. This is like we're getting into the kill zone here. Just watch the concentrations. Concentrations. Oh, don't pop Big Dirty.
Too late.
Too late, popped. I like your rig here. That's a pretty nice rig you got there.
No, I don't know.
Look, camera. Off to the scrapyard. Maybe we can go to McDonald's.
Nope.
Get cheeseburgers. No cheeseburgers. Oh, maybe we can stop and get a McGangbang later. I love those.
That'd be fucking awesome.
Yeah, it would be awesome. They don't want to make it right though, probably.
No, we gotta make it fucking self.
Make it ourselves.
Fucking wolves.
Yeah. Oh.
Should I send this guy?
Yeah.
Get the water out.
Yeah, there was water in her. Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Should I send them?
Yup. Oh my goodness. That minivan was a Dodge, I think. I think it was a Dodge.
Yeah, ball joints. Frick sack.
Sack. Anyways, almost there, boys. Almost there, and then maybe we can go around the block once or twice so I have a little bit more time with the car.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, buddy. I miss that car already. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, that's good for the movie. Yeah, right in that other guy's window, eh? That's awesome.
11 points.
Alright, we're totally here. We made it. We're at the scrapyard. Look, you can tell, but you can't. There's a bunch of scrap metals back there. Yeah. Oh, there's Pug One. Sam's squatching his way back to the truck. Son of a bitch. Holy shit. We need this thing right here. We need that. We need that Caterpillar.
It's a Caterpillar.
Oh, we need all those. Maybe a couple of these.
It's all aluminums.
We need that for smelting.
All of it.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the shit, buddy. Oh, are they gonna put my car in there?
No. They're gonna pinch the shit out of it.
No.
Oh.
Holy
Look at this
shit.
guy's beard. Look at this guy's beard. What's really going on? Oh, we got a car for you.
Supposed to see something, VIN number matches on something.
Yeah.
So we're totally at the scrap metals yard, getting the car unstrapped, having a cigarette. I'm a supervisor. Hey, hey, hey. You're none of that, son of a bitch. Oh, we need that for the 710. Water her down. Friggin' right, we need that. Big time. Here she goes, boys. My old car. Holy bud, watch the paint. There it goes. Bye, car. Bye. He's gonna roll her over. You're gonna go stove her into that thing, maybe. Probably not, though. There goes the wife's old car. Oh. All the oils. All the oils came out of her. Maybe he's gonna throw it again. Maybe he's gonna throw it again.
Son of a bitch.
Not the other cavalier.
So look what they got put in the scrap yard.
Bye, car.
Hello, one pug life.
Really? Anyway, so that's that. There goes the car. Now I think we're gonna go do a bit of shopping. Some shopping.
Shh, why are you such a heat bag?
Heat bag? I didn't say that.
There's a rope, huh?
No, we need this. We need all this. Get this shit on the trailer, boys. We need this. We need all of this. Holy frig, boys, it's hotter as frig here, Pug One. It's like going shopping with a woman, taking this guy to the junkyard, for freak's sakes. He just wants to, oh, what's this over here? Oh, what's that over there? Oh, I gotta go get this. Oh, I gotta go get that. And it's holy fuck, man. I'm just hot and wanna go. Look
Why'd
at
you even come then?
I'm just sweating. I should have stayed at home and just slept in the Andy Moore suite, for freak's sakes. Yeah, freak's sakes. The Andy fucking Moore suite. Anyways. Yeah, I think we're done. I think we're done shopping. Maybe.
$100.
100 bucks.
$100 he wants for it. So yeah, that's Earl's.
Yeah, that's staying. You can have it for 100.
Got a key to fire it up.
It's pretty good. Here, fire it up. Cold start that bitch.
It's dead.
It's dead. No juice.
When it'll start, Hunter.
Anyways, I am friggin' soaked. Look at this. Look at the sweat. Gross. I gotta go. Well, I figured I'd let Pug One and friggin' 200 cigarettes load the trailer so I could just sit here in the air conditioning because it.
Yeah, go back yourself. What? I apologize.
It's fucking hot out. Oh, wait, it's only a 2-guy job, anyways.
Greasy bastard.
I had to sit in here and watch the camera and make sure everything was going all right. But we're all done. The scrapyard are all totally friggin' caught on to us and
Oh yeah,
busted big times and frig sakes. But
$40.
40 bucks. Is that all we got for the car? 40 bucks. Earl fucked us.
Yep.
Son of a bitch. Thanks, Earl. Oh, there it is.
What?
OnePugLife.com. It's over there.
No.
See it?
OnePugLife.com.
Oh, my Freaking movie won't focus. There it is.
Okay, so we're done at the scrapyard. Earl frigged us over. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Oh, look at that cam. Freaking rights it is.
We need that big tank right there. Don't we need that?
Yeah, we do.
I think we should grab that real quick. Why do they have an aircraft controller tower here?
Because they probably got it for scrap metals.
No way. Looks like it's made out of concrete to me, but you know.
Yep. Got it for scrap metals.
Same.
Built it.
Same.
Same. Concrete. I put concrete in that car. They didn't care.
Nope.
Weighs tons more now.
Yeah. Scrap metals, ladies and gentlemen.
Seals.
Scrap metals.
This good stuff right here.
Now, holy fuck! Look at all the sculptures.
Holy shit!
My movie. Oh, my steady shot's working.
Think all the money they rip everybody off for, they'd be able to fix the parking lot there.
Yeah, maybe.
No.
Where's that watering truck apparatus? We need that. Oh, that's where all the good stuff is in there. You know? John Zubik's, ladies and gentlemen. John Zubik's.
Such a pain in the cock.
Thank you, cigarette boys. We're back in old Inwoods. We're friggin' zero fucks are given. I need a nap, a cigarette, probably a beer or two. Hey, buddy?
Oh, big time.
Couple beers?
Oh, 11.
We get pug one on the liquor?
Oh, yeah, big time.
And the cigarettes?
Yep.
Yep, big times. Alright, so that'll be the next movie. So, yeah, you got anything you want to say, cigarettes? Huh. Okay, there you go. Till next time. I'll go look you one out.